Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this Samsung. Firstly, open Tab menu. Now you need to look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is gray. That means that location is off, but you can always turn it on by clicking on the same shortcut. If you wish to, you can always go into settings as well, scroll down and click on location section over here. Then manage it by tapping on this switcher in location settings. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!